What's up, Sumoelings? Today, we're diving into NoForm AI, your ultimate sales assistant. Are you able to engage with your website visitors 24/7? Are you tired of constantly responding to questions and looking through form submissions to find your next paying customer? Imagine a world where all of this happens automatically, around the clock. That's the world with NoForm AI. Engage, qualify, and capture more sales. NoForm AI, your tireless sales assistant. Never miss an opportunity. NoForm's advanced AI-driven platform ensures every lead is engaged instantly, even when your team isn't available. It asks all the important questions in any possible language and reports back to you when the lead is qualified. Don't worry, we value your time. You won't have to read through every chat. NoForm gives you a handy summary with all the crucial details of the conversation, including where exactly on your website the user initiated a conversation. And that's not all. With NoForm AI, you also get detailed analytics with insights about your chats and leads. Use this info to make smart decisions, optimize your sales funnel, and boost your ROI. Best of all, it's up and running in minutes. After branding the chat bubble properly, all you have to do is copy a piece of code and drop it in with Google Tag Manager or directly to your website header. And that's it. No coding required. NoForm AI lets you continuously train your bot, making it smarter with every conversation and website page you add. You can even customize how the bot behaves depending on where the conversation is happening on your website. For example, you can make it more sales driven on the pricing page or more supportive in the knowledge base section. Plus, you can ensure the assistant is always speaking the language the user selected on your website. NoForm helps you capture more sales, reduces operational costs, improves customer satisfaction, and provides you with valuable insights. Is there any reason you wouldn't want to try NoForm AI today?
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check Lifetime Deal link in the description below.